Good morning, students. Today's topic is function of function rule. Okay. So here already we studied f is a function in several variables. Suppose f is a function in two variables. I'm taking a function which has two variables. Sometimes these two variables may be represented in single variable. That means suppose I'm taking one example, x plus y. This is the function in two variables. Sometimes these variables also defined in single variable. Suppose x equal to sin t and y equal to cos t. So ultimately f is f is converted into single variable. Why? Because in place of x you can substitute sin t, in place of y you can substitute cos t. At that time the function will be automatically function in one variable, that is t. So this now we are going to discuss about this type of functions, how to differentiate this type of function, how to partially differentiate this type of functions. In that if variables are exist, then that variables are again defined in single variable. So ultimately the function becomes a single variable function. Okay. So for that we have one theorem statement. Write the statement of first theorem, theorem 1. Theorem 1. Suppose that w of x comma y, which is a function in two variables x and y, is a function of two variables. Function of two variables. Okay. Having partial derivatives. Having partial derivatives. Dou w by dou x, comma dou w by dou y. So this function having two partial derivatives with respect to x and with respect to y. If both the variables x comma y are differentiable functions of a single variable t, differentiable function, where x and y are differentiable functions of single variable t, then w is differentiable function of t, then w becomes a single variable function with respect to t. So then w is a differentiable function in t, differentiable function of t, the variable t, right? And so to find dou w by dou t, so if you need dou w by dou t, you have to write dou w by dou x into dx by dt, or you can write dou x by dou t also, no problem, plus dou w by dou y into dy by dt. To find dou w by dou t, we have to find dou w by dou x and dx by dt, dou w by dou y and dy by dt. Function w is expressed in the function of variables x and y. So we have to find partial derivative with respect to x, partial derivative with respect to y, and x and y are also defined in the single variable function t. So we have to differentiate x with respect to t, as well as we have to find y differentiate with respect to t. Then after substitute here, then you will get dou w by dou t. So let us do one problem on this theorem statement. Now let us do one example problem. Example 1. if f of x comma y, if f of x comma y is equal to x square minus 2y square plus 2xy. This is the function in two variables, and here x is expressed in terms of cos t, in terms of single variable. So x is cos t and y of t is sin t. Y of t is sin t. Okay. And here t is belongs to closed interval 0 to 2 pi. Then prove that df by dt equal to dou f by dou x into dou x by dou t, or dx by dt. You can write dx by dt here, plus dou f by dou y into dy by dt. Okay, first of all I will find left hand side. So we have to differentiate with respect to t, but f is in variables of xy. So x in place of x, substitute cos t and sin t, automatically f converted into single variable t. Then you can differentiate to get left hand side. Solution: here f is given, f is f of x comma y equal to x square minus 2y square plus 2xy. So I am converting into single variable. F of t equal to x in place of x, you can substitute cos square t minus 2 sin square t plus 2 cos t sin t. Now f is converted into single variable. I am finding df by dt here. Differentiate with respect to t. So cos square t is 2 cos t, again cos t derivative sin. So minus 2 cos t sin t. 2 cos t sin t. Here 4 sin t derivative cos t plus 2 into, here cos uv formula, cos derivative minus sin, so minus sin into sin square t, plus leave cos, sin derivative cos, so cos into cos square t. Now by simplifying, what we will get here, we will get minus 6 cos t sin t, minus 6 cos t sin t, minus 2 sin square t plus 2 cos square t. This is left hand side, LHS, which is df by dt, which is LHS. So I got LHS. Now we have to prove it is equal to RHS. To get RHS, we need dou f by dou x and dx by dt, dou f by dou y and df by dt. So we have f equal to x comma y. I am finding partial derivative with respect to x. Dou f by dou x is 2x, y square is 0. Here x is variable, so 2y. Next to dou f by dou y, partial differentiate with respect to y, minus 4y plus 2x. Okay. Now dou f by dou x I am converting into single variable t. So 2 cos t plus 2 sin t, and dou f by dou y minus 4 sin t, y is sin, so sin t plus 2 cos t. Next we need dx by dt also. What is x? We have x equal to cos t, y equal to sin t. So I am finding dx by dt. What is dx by dt? Cos derivative minus sin t, dy by dt, sin t derivative cos t. So I got LHS, which is minus 6 cos t sin t minus 2 sin square t plus 2 cos square t. Now I am finding RHS. RHS is what? RHS is dou f by dou x into dx by dt plus dou f by dou y into dy by dt. Now I am substituting these values in this. Dou f by dou x is converted into single variable, so which is 2 cos t plus 2 sin t into dx by dt is minus sin t plus dou f by dou y is minus 4 sin t plus 2 cos t, 4 sin t plus 2 cos t into dy by dt is cos t. Now multiply this. minus 2 cos t sin t, 2 cos t sin t plus minus 2 sin square t. Now here minus 4 cos t sin t, 4 cos t sin t plus 2 cos t square t. So by simplifying you will get minus 6 cos t sin t minus 2 sin square t plus 2 cos square t. So observe LHS and RHS both are equal. So we can conclude that therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Both are equal. Okay. So this is example 1 only. Now another theorem, theorem 2. Theorem statement 2. Suppose that w of x comma y is a function of two variables. Function of two variables x comma y having partial derivatives dou w by dou x comma dou w by dou y, having partial derivatives dou w by dou x, dou w by dou y. If both variables x x is equal to variable x is the function in two variables s and t, and the variable y is function in again two variables s comma t. So in the previous theorem we have x w is function in two variables, but that variables are expressed in single variable function. But here each and every variable, a variable is again expressed in two variables. Here x is in two variables and y is in two variables, where s comma t are real numbers. Okay, where s comma t belongs to R. Have partial derivatives with respect to both s and t, then dou w by dou s. To find dou w by dou s, we have to find dou w by dou x into dx by dou x, two variables, no, dou x by dou s. Here we have x have two variables, so dou x by dou s. In previous function you can write dou x by dou t or dx by dt, but in this theorem every variable is in two variables, so dou x by dou s. Again dou w by dou y is also partial derivative with respect to s, then you will get dou w by dou s. In the similar way, to get dou w by dou t, how to find dou w by dou x again into dou x by dou t plus dou w by dou y into dou y by dou t, then you will get dou w by dou t. This is theorem number 2. So let us do one problem on this theorem also, one example problem. Let we have one function g of two variables x comma y is 2y plus x square, where x is again in two variables, that is 2r minus s. Here r comma s are variables, and y is again in two variables, that is r square plus 2s. So r comma s are real numbers here, find dou g by dou r, dou g by dou s. Find dou g by dou r, dou g by dou s. Okay, now we have to find g with respect to r, g with respect to s. Right, now to find solution, to find dou g by dou r, what is the formula? To find dou g by dou r, we need dou g by dou x into dou x by dou r, partial derivative with respect to r, plus dou g by dou y into dou y by dou r, dou g by dou y here. So first of all I am finding dou g by dou x. Dou g by dou x, which is only 2x. Why? Because 2y is constant 0. Dou g by dou y. Here y is variable, x square constant, so y derivative 1, you will get 2. Similarly dou x by dou r, dou x by dou r, x is 2r minus s, so I am partially differentiating x with respect to r, so you will get 2. Why? Because s is constant, r is variable. Similarly dou y by dou r also, here r square derivative 2r. Now substitute in 1, dou g by dou r is equal to, dou g by dou r equal to, here in place of dou g by dou x you can write 2x into dou x by dou r is 2, plus dou g by dou y 2, dou y by dou r 2r. So 2x means, again you can substitute dou g by dou r equal to this question, dou g by dou r is equal to, here 4x means 2r minus s, in place of x I am substituting 2r minus s plus 4r, so 8r, 4 to the 8 plus 12r minus 4s is dou g by dou r. Dou g by dou r is 12r minus 4s. Now we have to find dou g by dou s. Dou g by dou s. Again, to find dou g by dou s, what we have to find? Again dou g by dou x into dou x by dou s, plus dou g by dou y into dou y by dou s, say 2. So I am finding dou g by dou x, partially differentiate with respect to x of the given function 2x, and dou g by dou y is 2. Next dou x by dou s, is partially differentiate x with respect to s, so 2r is constant, s derivative is minus 1, dou y by dou x, so 2. Now substitute in 2, you will get dou g by dou s. Dou g by dou s is equal to, right, dou g by dou x is 2x, and dou x by dou s minus 1, plus dou g by dou y is 2, dou y by dou s is 2. So you got minus 2x plus 4. Minus 2x means in place of 2x we can substitute 2r minus s plus 4. So what we will get? We will get minus 4r plus 2s plus 4 is the required function for minus 4r plus 2s plus 4. Okay. Now let us start exercise 8.6. Exercise 8.6. Exercise 8.6. Problem number 1. First problem. If u of x comma y is equal to x square y plus 3x y power 4, where x equal to e power t and y equal to sin t. and y equal to sin t. We have to find dou u by du by dt and evaluate it at t equals 0. Find du by dt. Du by dt at t equal to 0. We have to find du by dt at t equals 0. First of all, we have to find du by dt. Then after inverse of t, we have to substitute 0. Solution. Given u equal to x square y plus 3x y power 4. So which is function in two variables. So I am finding dou u by dou x first. Dou u by dou x. So x square variable, y constant, so 2xy plus 3y power 4. Dou u by dou y, x square plus 12x y cube. Next I will find dx by dt. So what is x here? X is given as e power t and y is given as sin t. Now partially differentiate or differentiate, you will get same answer. Dx by dt is e power t, dy by dt is cos t. Right? Okay. Now I am finding du by dt. Du by dt. What is the formula du by dt? Dou u by dou x into dx by dt plus dou u by dou y into dy by dt. Substitute in this, what we got? Dou u by dou x is we got as 2xy plus 3y power 4. 3y power 4 into dx by dt is e power t plus dou u by dou y is x square plus 12xy cube and dy by dt is cos t. Now in case of xy also, we have to convert into single variable. What is x? E power t. What is y? Sin t. So I am substituting here. You will get 2 e power t sin t plus 3 sin power 4t into e power t plus e power t whole square. So e power 2t plus 12 into e power t sin cube t into cos t. Now I got du by dt in terms of t. This is du by dt in terms of t, which is du by dt in terms of t. Now at t equals 0, I am going to find du by dt value. Okay. So du by dt at t, du by dt equal to, in place of t substitute 0, sin 0, 0, this term will be 0, sin 0, 0, e power 0, 1. So totally it is 0 into e power 0 plus e power 0, here sin 0, 0, cos 0, 1. So what we will get here, it is 0 and cos 0, 1, e power 0, 1, 1 plus 0. So dou u by dou t value is 1. So in similar way, you can solve the remaining problems in exercise 8.6. Okay.